Here's my first look at the brand new Bobcat e245. This thing is substantially larger than its little brother right over there, 145. Brand new, just came in yesterday. Let me hop up on this thing. Ugh. Been nice. Nice seat. We're doing key fobs now? Am I that out of the loop? Oh, wow, yeah, we are just doing key fobs. Nice. This thing is sweet. Can't really see the cameras. Dang. Little comparison. The inside of the cab is essentially at my shoulder. A little less. Let's go look at the 145. All right, here's its little brother. Here's a 145. Comes to my waist. Substantially smaller. Still a nice machine though.